Do you want to learn how to make some quick money online? So today we're going to talk about that. Khamoya Gordon here from KhamoyaGordon.com. And don't mind my head wrap today. It's kind of, jumbled because I have it on today's supposed to be wash day, but as you can see, the day escaped from me because I'm also doing this video rather late. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed just yet, make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you already did, thank you very much. Now, after you finish watching this video, share this video with your friend so that they can subscribe to my channel too and enjoy the fun. Remember to turn the notification bell on so you're notified whenever I post a video. Okay guys, so today we're going to talk about making some quick money online. So there are a lot of free methods to make money online, right? But we're not going to be talking about the free methods today. If you want to make some quick money online, right? And not just make quickly and then don't make any more, like continually just making money. If that's why you're watching this video, guys, you gotta be ready to spend money to make money if you want to make some quick real money. Okay, you have the free method that it takes a little while for the money to accumulate and so on and so forth. I've discussed that in my previous videos. You can watch my previous videos and saw the ones that I've discussed. But if you really want to make some quick big cash, if you're not ready to spend cash to make that cash, then you can just hop off my channel, hop off this video right now, because we're going to be talking about how to make quick cash by spending your cash. Now, in all honesty, right, on your 9 to 5, do you get paid before or after you work? Let me know. When you're purchasing something, right, like food or, whatever it is, do you eat it before you pay for it? When you're buying a house, right, do you live in it before you make any form of down payment on it? I'm just going to sit here and say all those answers are no. Okay, so how do you expect to come online, right, and make money overnight without spending money? That's what I want to find out. It is rather unfair if you look at it. You're going to come online, oh, I don't have any money, but I want to make money. I'm sorry, what? And you don't want to make money over time, right? So you're not saying, oh, I'll just make money over the next 6 months. I'll see what I can make. Or the next year. You're looking to make money right away, right? And when somebody say, okay, interested in making money right away? Yeah, I got the link for you. I got you. But be prepared to spend XYZ. You're like, Okay, how do you expect it to be any different than all those other services that you receive? Guys, get out of that mentality of making money before you spend. It doesn't happen. As in making loads of money before you spend money. It doesn't happen like that. I have free methods. You can watch the other videos for the free methods. But if you want to, and that's going to take you a while, right? To make a lump sum of money. It's going to take you a while, but it's free. So by all means, you can use those strategies that I've discussed in previous videos. But if you want to make money, good money, you got to be prepared to spend money. Like, don't come over with all that nonsense. Like, you don't understand how much it irks me. It irks me a great deal because you guys are being unfair. Right? I don't know. Listen, when I started out, I spent money. So this is how I can now sit here on videos right here talking to you guys. I just don't understand. I just don't understand what you guys are thinking. I just don't understand. Today I had 3 prospects that was interested in my business, right? And I said to them, I said, how would you like to make your money? As in, do you want to try the free strategy where you don't have any form of investment, or do you want to put money in? They said, okay, how quick can I make money off the free strategy? Like a lot of money. I said to them, I said, listen, your aim right now shouldn't be making a lot of money. Your aim right now is to learn how to make generation wealth. You don't want to just have the money for you. You want to make money for you, your children, your grandchildren, your great-grandchildren. And that is what I'm about. That is what I teach. That is the people that I want to be watching this video right now. That is interested in generation wealth. Not just money today or money tomorrow or money next week. Money for years. Money that covers your family. Money that covers vacation. Money. That's the people that I want. And I said to them, if you're interested in just grabbing right now, I am not the right fit for you. If you're interested in, oh, I have to make a whole bunch of money by tomorrow, I am not the right fit for you. And that's okay. That's fine. I want to teach you how to make generation wealth. How to do what I'm doing. That's it. If you're on here and you're interested in the free method, as I said, watch my previous video. I have taught that method. But if you say, oh, I want to make money, I want to be making money by tomorrow, or oh, I want to be making a whole bunch of money, be prepared to spend the money. It's no different online. So that's all I have for you today, guys. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment down below if this video speaks to you. Leave a comment down below. My Facebook link will be provided. Join me on Facebook. It's a party over there. My Instagram link is also provided in the description. And that's one of my income source. So if you have any question about that Instagram, you can also ask me. I'm more than happy to help. If you're interested in making some serious money, my affiliate link is down below. Hit that link. It's in the description. Hit it. Try it out. And you'll see. You'll see. Guys, thank you so much for subscribing. I can't tell you how much I appreciate it. And also share this video with your friends so that they can subscribe, and also so that they can get some form of information that they might have been seeking all along. Share the wealth. Let us share the wealth. Okay, guys, thank you for hopping on. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe. Remember to hit the notification bell. Until next time. Well, until tomorrow, guys. For day 7 of my preparation for deployment. Day 7, I think, because today is day 6, and today was just about speaking to those clients. I didn't speak to them all at once. I spoke to them on, separate different timing. So that was my day, basically. And thanks for hopping on. Thanks for subscribing. And I'll see you tomorrow.